In this lecture, we will learn about row context propagation. So as we have seen already that the filter context automatically propagate from one side to many side, but the row context does not propagate automatically. So how to do row context propagation? For this we have again this model. Um, we have like a product table and sales table. So we have one to many relationship. For the elaboration, we will use these two tables, products and sales. Products is on the one side and the sales is on the many side. So let's go to the data tab, and I just click on the products and see here we have different columns, and I need this column product color in the sales table. So if I go to the sales table is on the many side, and see we have because this table contains all the sales transactions, different product keys we had already here, but we don't have any product color column here. So how to add product color column here? Just click on the new column, and then we have to write product color, and if I try to write color or the product, and see I'm getting all the columns from the current table, and the current table is the sales table. So how to access the product table column that we need to add here? For this we have to use a function called related, and the related returns a related value from another table related, and then we need to write color, product color, and hit enter. And now we can see we are getting all the products color from the products table. So this is how the row context, with the help of row context, we are getting a value from the one side to the many side. So because we had already a relationship from one to many relationship, and due to this relationship we are getting this product color values. Now we can go to the product table and try to get the sales transactions for every product. So we will write new column, and total transactions, because one product can have multiple transactions, so we cannot write here a related function, because related will not give us the access to the many side. See, when we try to write sales, we are getting nothing. So to get the values from the many side, we have to use a function, a related table, and then we need to pass sales table here. If I click, hit enter, see we are getting multiple columns cannot be converted to the scalar value, so we need a single value here. So what we will do is we will write another function like count rows, because we will try to count all the rows in the sales table. Hit enter and say this is how, this is what we are getting. number of sales transactions for every related product. So this is how, with the help of related table and related, we are able to access the columns from the related tables. When we need to get the values from the many side, then we have to use a related table, and when we need to get value from the single side, then we have to use a related function. So that's all about uh, row context propagation and the filter context propagation. So let's meet in the next video.